Hello everybody, Zachary Fruhling, aka CozyAzeroth here. I am working my way through an old book, 101 Programming Tips and Tricks for the Texas Instruments TI-99 4A home computer. One stream, one program, one video at a time. I am up to program number 41. We're going to read the very brief program description, get into the Classic 99 emulator, which emulates the TI-99 4A on a modern PC, get into TI Basic, type the program in, run it, see what we can learn from it, and see what we can make it do. Okay, so number 41, Whiz 5, Second Alphabet Spotter. This is a variation on the previous program. This Whiz program has the computer ask you for a number from 1 to 26, and then, faster than a jackrabbit, tell you what letter it goes with. Okay, so it basically functions almost exactly like the previous program, and it looks like we can fit the entire program on one screen here, so that's good. Let's dive in. Okay, 10 call clear. 20, we have a long data statement here. Looks like all the numbers from, or excuse me, all the letters from A through M separated by commas. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. 30 should be the rest of the alphabet. 30. Data N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Okay, 40. Print. Give me the number of. $50. Print a letter from the alphabet. Input from 1 to 26. To 26, and let's get the punctuation exactly as written here. Okay, no end punctuation. Quote and colon. We're going to call that variable n. Okay. 70 for L equals 1 to n. $80, read a string. $90, next L. $100, print. $110, print. There's a couple extra spaces there. $120, print letter number. I think we have semicolon and semicolon. We have quote, which we just did, space is space, end quote, and semicolon a string. 130, restore. That resets the reading of the data strings there in lines 20 and 30. Okay, 140, print. 150, print. And 160, go to 40. Okay, let's clear the screen. List the program, looking for any obvious errors. Okay. None seen at a glance anyway, doesn't mean there aren't any, just none that pop out to me. Give me the number of a letter from the alphabet. Say a letter from the alphabet? Yep, a letter from the alphabet. From 1 to 26. Yes, make sure I got it exactly as written there. I don't know, let's do X, Y, and Z. 24. $25. And 26. And let's check the boundaries here. 1 is A, looks pretty good. 3 should be C. 4 is D. It looks like we're rock solid here. 20, I think, is T. Yep, that's right. So there we go. That is all this program does, and this is Whiz 5, Second Alphabet Spotter, a program from 101 Programming Tips and Tricks for the Texas Instruments TI-99 4A home computer. I'm going to go ahead and list out the program one more time while I'm giving my spiel here. If you are watching this after the fact on YouTube, be sure to check out the rest of my YouTube channel. You can find it under CozyAzeroth, which is my Twitch handle, or my real name, Zachary Fruhling. For lots more TI-99 4A content, retro programming, retro gaming, lots of World of Warcraft live streaming these days, and miscellaneous educational content and topics of interest to me, both professionally and personally. If you're watching this live on Twitch, same thing, check out my YouTube channel, but if you're watching this on YouTube, please check out my Twitch channel as well for live streams and all the above. My Twitch handle is CozyAzeroth, once again, a little nod to World of Warcraft there. And in any case, I appreciate likes and follows and subscriptions, especially subscriptions, which really help me out in these difficult financial times. Thank you very much, and I will catch you in the next video, next program in the list, which we're going to peek ahead here. Let's peek ahead. What is the next one on the list? Whiz 6, Guess the Number. So stay tuned for that. I'm going to be stopping this stream and restarting it on Twitch, and if you're watching this on YouTube after the fact, check out all the rest of the videos in this series, both I've done, the ones I've already done, and the ones forthcoming. Thank you very much. I'll catch you in the next video.